backstroke for being a really good backstroke, you're not turning it over at all. I mean, it's just like this, and it's different than your freestyle. So you put your hand in the water in freestyle, but you know, you don't drive the shoulder into the water, you're not going to hold water, and you have no turnover to it. Just very, very easy. And if you don't have a breaststroke, you got to work the backstroke. You know, breaststroke, you're not going to move on anybody on breaststroke. No really good IMer are you going to move on it. So you better be out. You better be out in a position where you can use. You got to stay within striking distance. I mean, you're always going to be able to come home on freestyle. I have no doubt. No matter what you do in an IM, you're going to be able to come home on freestyle. If you're just so far out of it, you're like three body lengths behind those guys. You've got to work one of the three strokes. You don't work any one of the three, and then you're trying to work one at breakneck speed, which might work at the Illinois Wesleyan Invitational, but it.
Is the butterfly just like two up and down just for fun, or is it just like that's how it is?
Oh, it's the way it looked when you do it at the 4 a.m. Chicago.
Oh, Chicago.
Same thing. So it's and then straight back down, but you're not moving forward. You know, maybe a little higher elbow crunch. You know, really thinking about throwing the arms out in front. But what's that? It's fine. I think it's the tempo of your recovery. It's the same thing on the backstroke. The recovery tempo is so slow. You gotta have more speed on it. I mean, maybe we can just sum it up by saying that's our lesson for all the things that you were trying to do with you. I don't doubt over the course of a 200 you're gonna be strong, but it's about top end speed stuff. And the only way you're gonna have it is by having more speed in your recovery. And when you don't have it, and again, breaststroke that's not going to be the stroke. So, like the others, at least one of the other two has got to be. But you're also a very good flyer. You know, it's not like. I mean, you're going 4.95 or doing whatever in a 400 IM. Come on, you're a very good flyer. You're a very good backstroke. You're not a decent one. You're very good. Jacob Nason. So, like I said, you got to.